Good day everyone! Welcome to another video brought to you by Radenta Technologies. For today's video, we will provide you 10 useful tips and tricks for Microsoft OneNote. Tip number 1. Insert a PowerPoint presentation. The main function of Microsoft OneNote is for note-taking, planning, brainstorming, and many more related. Level up your references and note-taking by inserting a PowerPoint presentation in your page. On the menu bar, click Insert, then click File. For this demo, let's use an existing PowerPoint presentation. You can upload it to OneDrive, then insert link. Or insert as attachment or insert as printout. We will choose insert as printout for this example. The presentation will be automatically converted to PDF. Now, you have a copy of a presentation in your notebook page. Tip number 2. Set image as background. This is a simple trick. First, we will insert a picture, then we right-click the image and then set picture as background. You can now write over the image or even draw lines and shapes. This is useful to point out other ideas and other revisions in the said image. Tip number 3. Take note on meeting details. Add meeting details on your meeting notes. If you are the note taker of the meeting, this tip could help you. Click Insert, then Meeting Details. OneNote will automatically load your meetings for the day or upcoming meetings. We will choose Meeting Weekly Sync Up. The details of the meeting will be placed in the page. Then with that, you can now take down notes of your discussion. Tip number 4. Email a notebook page. Share a copy of your notes via email. First, we will copy this section, then we will create a new page. Paste the meeting details so you can easily share this page to your colleague. Click File, then hover over Share, and then click Send Page as email message. For this tutorial, I will send this message to my colleague Danica. Tip number 5. Immersive Reader. Take a break on screen time or have your notes read using the Immersive Reader. This feature will allow you to listen to the notes that you've taken down. For this example, I have here a short passage entitled An American Songwriter. On the View tab, click Immersive Reading. Now play it.
An American songwriter. Israel Boline had a difficult childhood. His family had to leave Russia when he was very young.
If you click a word, an image will be shown for the meaning of that word. This will come in handy for grade school students and teachers learning or teaching vocabulary and reading. Tip number 6. Dictation. Easily transcribe your notes via voice dictation. Click Edit, then Start Dictation. OneNote will automatically transcribe what you're saying in the recording. Now, I am in dictate mode. Period. The OneNote will automatically write down what I am saying. Tip number 7. Tags. Have you encountered missing notes? Well, worry no more because with tags, you can easily find what you're looking for, such as your to-dos, for reviews, important notes, references, and more. I have created lines or notes to represent the tags. In the Home tab, click To Do to tag the first line. These are the default tags provided in OneNote. If you hover in this section, you can see a pull-down icon, then click it. Then you can see some other tags. I myself created a custom tag. So now we will create our own tag. Click on Create Tag, then fill out the name and symbol that you want. Then, let's try to tag the third line with your newly created tag. So we will go to the other page and tag this line with our custom tag. To find your notes with tags, click on the search icon, then look for your tag, or type in your tag. If you click My Personal Tag, your note will appear. You can also search for your name tag by including double quotation, then your tag name. And also, you can filter your search within this notebook only or for the whole OneNote. Tip number 8. Create link for pages. You can simply create a link to your pages.
Simply add two double brackets on both ends with your page name like this.
If the page is not existing, a new page will automatically be created. Tip number 9. Collapse a list group. We have here Group A and Group B. Each group has 10 lists. If you hover in this section, this icon will appear. Double-click it and the list will collapse. Tip number 10. Switch background color and page color. Switching background color according to your preference is easy. Simply go to the View tab and then Page Color. Dark colors will appear on night mode. Change it by clicking the icon and the background mode will change to morning. Then, if you change color again, available light colors will appear. You can also change the icon color of your section simply by right-clicking the section, then click Change Color. Thank you so much for watching up to this part of the video. This ends the 10 useful tips and tricks for Microsoft OneNote. If you're ever interested in purchasing Office 365 licenses for your office, just email us at info@radenta.com and we'll help you get started. Make sure to hit like and subscribe button to receive more similar contents. See you again in the next video!